Marami ang kumutya kay Pacman nang sabihing maliit para makipagsabayan sa welterweight division. Ngunit iba ang paniniwala ng mga eksperto. Masyadong mabilis si Pacquiao na hindi kayang pantayan ng sino man noon sa 147-pound weight class.
I like Pacquiao. I think he's too quick, too fast. Unlike most great fighters, he seems to be getting better every time.
Naikasa ang Cotto vs Pacquiao noong November 2009 sa tangkang pagsakop ni Pacman sa ikapitong dibisyon. Pumayag ang kampo ng nooy WBO welterweight champion Miguel Cotto sa 145-pound catchweight para harapin ang pound-for-pound king of the world. Tulad ng inaasahan, liyamado si Pacman sa mata ng mga totoong eksperto.
I like Pacquiao. I just think that right now he's the best. He's pound for pound the best, but I'm going with Pacquiao.
And I don't think Cotto's size advantage is as big an advantage as Pacquiao's speed advantage.
Pinakaba ni Pacquiao ang mga boxing fans sa unang round ng pagtatagpo nila ni Cotto.
The Puerto Ricans WBO welterweight belt on the line. Says no more! What a fighter!
Dahil sa panalo, selyado ang record sa boxing history as the only boxer to win 7 world titles in 7 different weight classes.
He's just a wonderful athlete to watch.
Recorded him the greatest Asian fighter ever, the greatest left-handed fighter ever, and he's gone all the way up 7 divisions, winning 7 titles.
Makaraan lang ang 4 na buwan. Dating nagpahirap kay Cotto ang naging kasayawan ni Pacman, Joshua the Grandmaster Clottey. Parang ang na-starstruck si Clottey na halos ayaw nang bumato na suntok sa takot na baka suklian ni Pac. Makaraan ng 8 buwan, isang imposible ang nais na gawin ni Pacman, ang umakyat pa ng timbang. Gustong sukatin ang lakas at kakayahan sa hindi pamilyar na teritoryo, ang 154-pound weight class o mas kilala bilang junior middleweight division. Ang makakatapat, ang minsan ang nahuling ng duga sa mga laban, Antonio Plaster of Paris Margarito. Si Margarito na ang pinakamalaking mamaw na tatapatan ni Pacquiao. Grabe ang panlalait ang ginawa ng mga tropa ni Antonio sa ating pambansang kamao. Hindi nila alintana ang kinikimkim na himagsik ni Pacman na handang pasabugin sa oras na magkita na sila ng mata sa mata sa lona. Narito ang full fight highlights ng laban. Round 1, angat agad ang bilis ni Pacquiao.
And of course, Pacquiao's hand wrap was so absurd. The athletic commission had to bring the 2 trainers together in case that he ever considered not entering the ring to fight. So here they are. Pacquiao trying to get it.
Yes, it does.
So he has a better chance to effect to see was
In and out attack ang pasabog ni Pacman.
and boxing with Margarito's arms and head down.
Well, one thing, Manning makes adjustment.
Margarito has thrown almost exclusive gut and landed it on Margarito's face.
Round 2, pumuputok ang kamao ni Manny.
3 punches running on Margarito in round 1. Seems very low.
We're used to seeing hit recent.
Patuloy ang pagsalo ni Margarito sa mga kamao ni Pacman.
But speed belongs to Pacquiao.
I mean, you're not supposed to be on the ropes
Against the ropes. And if there was one thing Freddie Roach harped on throughout
more with some of the great Mexican fighters that he beat.
cross inside by Pacquiao. He lands the right hook too. There.
This is why the USP didn't.
Delectable experience perhaps for Margarito fighting a man power punches.
Round 3, too slow to react si Margarito sa suntok ni Pacquiao.
Vulnerable. And he's looked a little vulnerable.
The ring, boxing with his hands up, doing reasonably well, bothering Pacquiao. Good.
Siksik, liglig at umaapaw ang biyayang suntok handog ni Pacman.
Round is that Margarito's gloves are split and he can throw his left. Pacquiao.
Round 4, sakto lang ang distansya ni Manny sa patama.
Jim, I love the guy's power punching. I mean, he don't hit it because the guy ain't there. That's good.
Maybe Margarito won.
No, I give all 3 rounds to Pacquiao also.
I think you're looking at 12 rounds of nervous jeopardy under his right eye.
Isang matinding body shot, kumulot ang katawan ni Margarito.
Physically strong and has to do.
It's not true.
penetrate.
Comments coming into the fight. One of the ones I found most interesting was from Joshua.
Round 5. Parang naglalakad na punching bag si Margarito.
4 represents the largest number of punches ever landed on a mark.
Yeah.
Upstairs, downstairs ang patama ni Pacquiao.
A great fight against him.
But Pacquiao's fighting spirit is something to behold.
And look at the different angles.
Pacquiao takes his little breathers by the...
That one shot to the body seemed to have changed the fight tremendously.
Southpaw, it wasn't a left hook to the body, it's a left cross. Margarito speaks for itself.
Round 6. Pacquiao maintaining distance while throwing combinations.
Guys that have speed, they don't have power.
Margarito, who at the height of his career a few years ago was averaging 100 punches per round. Look at Pacquiao move from side to side.
This is what I said he should do.
To move into Margarito's eye where Margarito couldn't see him. That didn't work.
Afterward, I asked him what was most impressive. He said easy, the footwork.
A lot of guys move, but it's strictly footwork. He can move and
Final minute ng round. Inabot ng body shot si Pacman sa ropes.
some bigger than others, but he's winning all of them.
The advantage of having Pacquiao against the rope. This is Pacquiao.
Round 7. Umiiwas na si Pacquiao na ma-corner sa lubid.
6-0, 6-54. Manny Pacquiao. I got a ton of shots of his own. And Jim, the one thing we can't measure is the amount
Round that is called comparative rounds. I thought Manny won it, but
But I think Pacquiao loves a good scrap, like the last round.
Mas lalong bumabagal si Margarito. Bumabawi si Pacman.
that's what we call a natural. Then getting with a good trainer that really
Never seen.
he does it all and fights everybody. That's what I like to see it possibly go in a 12-round decision only because of Margarito.
I thought Pacquiao would stop Margarito right.
Margarito's hanging in. He's having more flurries. Happy about
Round 8. Maingat si Pacquiao sa mga palitan.
round in the fight so far to Manny Pacquiao. And incidentally,
And here comes
and he
Manny.
turns it around and bangs.
I've trained in the gym with Margarito. And what he
Low
trains.
blow there. And he's blocking some of the punches.
Hindi alam ni Margarito kung paanong iilaga ng mga suntok ni Pacquiao.
This has been a measure of redemption.
Miguel earlier today. Miguel said this was going to be a
What
real.
a fight. I mean, this is a fun fight.
Round 9. Patuloy ang pagiging agresibo ni Margarito kaso hindi nagtatagumpay.
This round are the most anybody's ever landed against Manny Pacquiao.
Knocks him out soon. But he's been able to have
Hirap na nga makahabol si Margarito sa bilis ng footwork ni Pacquiao.
Weight championship
punches a little better than a smaller guy, but a regular 140-pound guy.
some fatigue. Pacquiao, for the first time in this round, has begun to move.
He wants long range, even though he's a smaller fighter. Pacquiao.
Margarito uses his physical strength to rough him up.
Up the fight because of that right eye, which is grotesque.
He has a
Round 10. Paglanding ng combo ni Pacman sabay layo.
Have a lot of fun arguing with each other about what 15 pounds bigger than himself. Touching him up, beating him up.
17 pounds.
Right, he's a former flyweight, beating up at a commission to make Margarito shave off the beard. It's probably
Putting it on Margarito right now.
boom.
Isang right hook ang nagpasuray kay Margarito.
Physically fatigued both. And this right eye. He may get out of this round, but I think it's a good chance that Pacquiao moves into a balance out.
Round 11. Parang nagmimits na lang si Manny Pacquiao.
Another measure of redemption for Margarito, even though he's hopelessly behind and getting
No head movement at all.
That's what he's saying to Cole.
But the referee's doing a good job. I think his stage here, he's out.
Chinek ng referee ang mata ni Margarito.
Way up.
Tinitingnan na nga ni Pacman si Lawrence Cole kung ihihinto ang laban.
If he stopped, it wouldn't be any complaint, but I just don't think he's going to stop at the stage. But it's not just complete, it's just he's getting hit so much, but just looking at his eyes, he can't.
Take the number of shots he's taking now. Plus on an 18.
Round 12. Naawa na lang ng todo si Manny Pacquiao at hinayaan na lang maka-finish line si Margarito.
Max.
Seemingly was doing that with Roy Jones in the later rounds, too.
Max.
as great as Pacquiao is and as dominant as he's been, until he felt the time was right. He noticed Hagler slow down against Duran and
Hey,
McGuff.
because he's fighting such different guys
bigger
every
guy.
time fighter. This is Manny Pacquiao, the congressman. Margarito has a vicious beatdown. If I were scoring, that would have been mine too. Manny's face showing some effects, but not much.
And now, winner of his 8th World Championship,
Matapos ang laban, naitala ni Manny Pacquiao ang kampyonato sa ika-8 dibisyon na malabo ng mabura sa kasaysayan. Samantala, pinagsisihan naman ni Antonio Margarito ang inabot na injury na tuluyang sumira sa kanyang boxing career. Bueno, ito lamang po ang hatid ng Sports Manda sa inyo. Maraming salamat at God bless.